Marian was special. Marian was very special just because of, one is the talent. Two, sino pa kamag-anak niya na surprise sa amin lahat. But three, in fairness, na-touch ako dun sa kung ano nangyari kay Coach Julie and kay Marian. Sometimes there are people who are destined para doon sa taong yun. And kahit ako yung unang umikot, kahit gusto ko siya, Marian and Julie deserves each other to be in one team. So, congratulations, Jules. Number one. Julie number one. Number one.